Hey guys, got to take a video of one of the first parts made on my mill. Here, this is our control screen, which gives us all our program over here and tells us where the machine's at. Got the shed pretty well set up to make stuff now, which is pretty neat. So we've got a whole corner of it sort of set up, and yeah, let's hit the go button and watch it do something. Going to wrap it home, tell us to put the tool in, the tool's already there, hit the go button. So I'm just making up another random block of nothing. This is just a piece of rubbish plastic because I figured I should stop wasting my good aluminium for just testing stuff. So it's gonna do a profile around the outside, and then clear out the centre. Got a 12mm carbide in there, spinning at 3000 RPM. Got a bit more RPM, but just try to keep it at that because the spindle bearings get a little warm. We're going to start doing the pocket. So it starts by doing a helical plunge. Starting to throw shit around. It's called an adaptive bearing, which is a trochoidal tool file. going to do a finishing pass on the other side. Bit of this is a waste of time, we're just cutting veneer at the moment until it gets out to the outside edge. Cut gets to the bottom of the pocket, makes it nice and smooth on the bottom. And there we have it. All done. So it is a plastic box, not particularly useful for anything, but good to test out some toolpaths, and given that this is packaging plastic and comes with materials where it always work and doesn't owe me anything, awesome for doing random shit on. Yeah, loving the setup so far, starting to get into the programming on the HSMxpress software, which seems pretty good. Machine's working fantastically. Yeah, so that part there took 6 minutes and 32 seconds to make, and to be honest, you wouldn't run it too much slower if we were machining in aluminium. Obviously with aluminium we'd have the coolant pump going, which is also working really good. So if I have that going, I'll just plug him in down here. Hang on a second. So I haven't got my coolant pump on computer control yet, so I have to just manually in, but you can see it sprays around nicely, which is good. Makes a bloody mess when you got the doors open. Yeah, the enclosure's working out great. It's good for noise, it's not vibrating, it's not doing anything bad. It took a while to get sealed up. The coolant drain is underneath there. It just lets all the coolant drain back into the black bin underneath where the coolant pump is. Yeah. Here's the SolidWorks computer. So that's where I draw the parts and create the program for the machine. And I just send it over to the machine there and then make stuff. It's cool. Alright, see you guys.